Hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn how to work with custom post type. So this is our services section, and this section will get it done using a custom post type. So how we can create a custom post type? So in that case we need to install a CPT UI plugin in the backend. So you can see if you go to the backend plugin, okay. So once you go to the plugin, just install CPT UI custom post type UI plugin. Okay, so it's already installed in our server custom post type UI. So um, once you install custom post type UI, just go to the settings here, the CPT UI. You can click on add and edit the post type. Okay, so using these you can create a post type called our services, like these our services. Okay, our service and whatever, and the post like is our services and plurals like our service, our services, and same things you can add into in the singular level. So once you added those, just click on add post type. Okay, so once you click on add post type, the post type will create automatically something like this. Okay, our services. So this is our post type called our services, and this is the custom post type. And in this post type our services, we already added some dummy text, I mean dummy post. 1 2 3 4 4 post has been added already. Now we are going to get this dynamic for this section, so that these contents will manage from this area, I mean from the backend. So this is the custom post type backend. Okay, you can add more in future, and for now as we have only 4 posts, so we have added only 4. So now we'll add a custom coding to get it done using custom post type. Okay, so how we can get it done using custom code? So go to your own homepage.php file that we already created before. This is our home.php file, and this is the services section. You can see here our services heading, and this is our main div. Okay, so 1 2 3 and 4, so 4 div is running. So this is now static. Okay, and we need to get it done dynamic. So how we can do that? So let's remove the div. We can remove this div one, also this one, and this one. Let's keep the first one div, and this will be repeating, right? So now we will add a custom code. So there should be a loop behind it. So this is our main div, and this div are going to repeat. Okay, so go to Google and you can search display post in single page. Okay, you can see this. Click. Okay, once you click the link, you can scroll down. You can see a custom coding here. Okay, this is the custom code. Just copy this one first. Okay, copy and paste it here. Okay, you have to change the post type name post to what is our post type name? The post type name is our. Okay, now we're going to. Okay, this is the post type called our services. Okay, and then just copy this one. Just copy. This is the loop. Okay, just paste here, and after that, below the main div, just close the loop. this is the end while loop. Okay, it's closing here, and after that copy this code and paste it over there. Okay, now we have to add the title, images, etc. whatever. Okay, this is our title, right? So just go, you can remove this, add php the title, that's it. Also can in the href can add php the permalink. Now save. You just need only title, right? So no need to change anything. So now this section has been dynamic. It's totally and it's coming from the back end now. That's because we added a custom code. The post type called our services, post status should be published, post per page -1 means unlimited posts. Okay, whatever the post in the back end, all the post will be automatically reflect on the front end. So now save. Okay, it's uploading to the server. Okay, it's uploaded. Now go to this. You can see this section has been dynamic, right? Now how you can check this section is dynamic or not? You can add more post here. Just publish. So click on our services tab again. You can see there are 5 posts, right? 1 2 3 4 5. Just go to home page and reload the tab. So once you reload the tab, you can see the 5 posts. You can see 5 posts. Now you can see 1 2 3 4 5. You can add one more to balance the design. Just publish. So published. Load the tab again. You can see 6 posts has been updated here. So using this method, you can easily manage this section using custom post type. So our custom post type name is our services, and the post type slug name is our service, our underscore service. You can see the post type equals to our. So this is the main slug for our services post type, and this post type slug always needs to be added into the code here. You can see the post type name our underscore services.